May I come in, kind sir?
Either way, my lady.
Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry, it has been the longest time, but I couldn't tell you my little secret. So yes, we bought a house with my husband and my son. So yeah, it's an empty house tour finally. I'm so excited to show you my house. So I don't know how to begin this video, but I'm gonna give you a house tour. So first, we go to the right. We have like a little foyer area. I'm gonna show you right now. So we go to this side and it's just a powder room. It's very standard, nothing fancy. I am doing some changes. First of all, I'll be changing this to matte black, and then I'll be changing the mirror to an antique mirror. You know how I feel about antiques, which I have a big video coming up for you. And then I'll be changing the fixture light to matte black as well, and also the towel rack. So I'll be changing that. And one thing I love about my house is that I make sure I upgrade it on the door handles. So I got this one's matte black and they are gorgeous. I am in love. So moving on. So here we have a big long foyer. It's 13 feet to be exact. I actually bought an antique carpet. And then we got the stairs, which I will show you in a little bit. And yeah, this was an upgrade. It didn't came like that, but we upgraded to matte black. And so you guys, my camera died. I thought I had charged it, but I didn't. You come to this section and we have a closet. This one is gonna be a coat closet. Georgie threw his blazer.
It's a coat closet.
That he used for closing today. So you come this way and then you have the living room area, which my TV will go here. I have plans literally for my whole house already. So I'll buy 2 chairs, which I already did, but there should be shipping sometime in 2050. And then I already ordered my couch, and we're gonna have a console table for this section. So yeah, I'm not gonna take all the plans here because we will go with the flow. I will make so many videos on everything. So here we have the dining area, and we have the island. Sorry that it's already messy, but we were extremely hungry. We literally came from closing to the house. And yeah, so we have the pantry here. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. So I have a big wall here. And guess what? I have plans for this wall too. So yeah, we have a lot of windows, and it's something I actually love because if you want to do videos all the time with so much natural lighting, your videos will always look really nice. So my phone cut me off because apparently I have no storage. So we are here in the kitchen, as I was saying. We got all stainless steel appliances. And yeah, oh yeah, let me tell you. So moving to the garage. I don't know why I keep turning off the light. So we have an empty garage for now. As you can see, I already brought some stuff. And that's it, take it off. Because I don't want you guys to see everything that I have purchased. I have purchased a lot of good stuff for my house. So yeah, this is my garage, nothing fancy, very simple. And that's it. Let's go upstairs. And before I forget to tell you, we have this nice wood. It was actually super expensive. You guys don't know how expensive that was. I don't know why, but anyways. So let's go upstairs. We have carpet all over the stairs and the second floor. Okay. So in here we have the second living room, which it can be a game room or whatever room you want. But yeah, this will be just my second living room. You can put a couch here, and we have a lot of windows, as you can see. And yeah, it's very spacious, very big, thank God. And then Here we have a space which I will be decorating, maybe with vintage pieces. I don't know yet, but we'll talk about that later. So, moving on. I'm so tired from coming upstairs. So this is the master room, my suite. So yeah, this is my room. Have window on one side, window on the other side, which is so gorgeous because I can always look outside when it's raining or snowing. Just kidding, Texas. We don't have snow in Texas. So yeah, so this is the master room, very spacious. And this is my closet and George's closet. Nothing fancy, just a simple closet. Then we have a linen room here, which I'm so thankful for because now we have a lot of storage.
Which is my closet.
Probably. So here's where I tell you how many details I had to do on this restroom because I want my restroom to be perfect since I'm gonna be recording here for you guys too. So this is our restroom. We have a glass door. So yes, this is black. We make sure we pick this black because I feel like it was gonna be a hassle trying to do it yourself. So we were smart to change that. And as well, I'll be changing all the hardware or faucets, however you wanna call it, to matte black. The mirror, I don't know what kind of mirror I want for this yet. I don't know if I wanna do single mirror, like for each, or the whole thing, the whole 9 yards. I don't know. And now I'll be changing this as well. Nobody hangs their towels like that anymore. People don't do that. So I have plans for this to remove it. And then we have a toilet, simple, nothing fancy. And we have a door, which is really cool. So we have more storage where to put our laundry or hamper or whatever you want to put. So yeah. Hi. Hey. Okay, so we have that. Very cute, very simple. Oh, by the way, we upgraded to this. Let me show you guys. A sitting shower. You can shake your legs. You can wash your hair. So you leave my room and then we come to this section here. Now we have Nathan's room, which is very simple, nothing fancy. Again, windows everywhere. We have a French double door closet for him, which is simple but very cute. I feel like this is very nice. And then that's it. We have another closet here for towels or linens or anything that we can put here. And it's very spacious as well, as you can see. Well, I feel like I'm selling a house. Anyways, so this is Nathan's bathroom. Guys, I'm getting used to this whole bunch of light thing. Telling you. So this is very simple. He has a tub and of course all this that will be changing because like I don't like it. It's not cute, I guess. So he has his own restroom. We're gonna be changing that and everything else. I already ordered a stool for him. So you leave that restroom, then you come to this third room, and this room is a small, like a very tiny room that if I was pregnant, I can put my baby's crib here, but I'm not pregnant. And then I have a little twin bed for this room, and I have my desk here. So I don't know if I should make this into an office, but I guess so. I don't know. I'm still undecided on what I want to do with this room. And this room has a French double door closet as well, very spacious. I have seen people actually doing closets like this into an office, like a desk or something, but I feel like this is too pretty to put it to that kind of use, I guess. Then we have the attic, which I will not be going there because I'm scared. So we have the utility room here. Nothing fancy going on, just for washer and dryer, and that's it. nothing fancy. And yeah, that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was not that long because honestly I didn't want it to bore you guys, but I have so many more stuff to come, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.